Today we'll be assembling the Voya 2.0 stroller wagon for both the 2 and 4-seat versions. We'll start by assembling the rear brake. Line up the left and right sides using the stickers on the frame and brake assembly. Snap the brake assembly over the exposed tubes on the rear of the wagon until you hear a click. Flip the wagon over so that it's easier to assemble. To assemble the rear wheels, take the rear axle stem and push it into the hole on the brake assembly until you hear a click. To assemble the front wheels, line up the left and right wheels using the stickers on the frame, then take the caster stem, slide it into the hole, and click it into place. Both the front and rear wheels can be removed by pushing the indicated buttons and pulling them off. If you're assembling the 2-seat version of the stroller wagon, you can skip this step as your wagon does not have a pull handle. For the 4-seat version, line up the 2 holes on the pull handle with the 2 holes on the frame, then hand tighten in the included bolts. Next, take a screwdriver and fully tighten down those bolts. To unfold the wagon, stand it up, then pull on the fold lock tab on the side of the wagon. To attach the storage bag, take the 2 hooks on the back of the bag and snap them over the bar on the rear of the wagon. To unfold, remove the elastic at the bottom corners, open up the bag, then push down on the floor panel to keep the bag secure. You can also remove the bag with the included handles and use it as a tote. This product includes 2 cup holders that can be placed on 4 positions on the wagon. Attach the cup holder by sliding it over the bracket until you hear it click down. To assemble the canopy, unfold the canopy frame to expose the connectors on all 4 corners. Take each connector and slide it over the bracket on the frame until you hear a click. If your canopy looks like this, where the logo is not exposed, you can see the frame, and it's a bit saggy, it's probably inside out. You should remove it, flip it right side out, and reassemble. Assemble the snack tray by lining up the openings on each side and pushing down until you hear a click. To extend the pull handle, there's a small spring pin at the base. Push that in, then pull up. To adjust the push handle, push in on the 2 gray buttons and rotate it to your desired position. For a deeper dive on this product, check out the informative demo video that's linked in the description below.